Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. This is gonna be another tutorial video, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to fix why is Snapchat not working. So if your Snapchat is facing the problem that it is not able to open, you can try a couple of fixes that I'm gonna show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming uploads. To get started, you can update the app of Snapchat. Head over to Play Store or the App Store and check if there is any update of Snapchat. If yours says there is an update, you'll need to update the app of Snapchat. These kind of problems are caused mainly because there are some kind of bugs in the app, and after you update the apps, those bugs will be easily removed. Now check if the Snapchat is working. Even after that the app is not working, you can try to offload the app. Tap and hold on the Snapchat app and head over to app info. Here on the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option of clear data. Tap on that and tap on clear cache. Caches are the unwanted data and files that are stored on your device. So caches also could be responsible for these kind of issues. The other thing you can do is also clear the data of Snapchat. But before you do that, make sure you remember the email address and password of your Snapchat. The other thing is, make sure that your internet connection is stable. If your Wi-Fi or your data you're using is not stable, then you could face this issue. If you're using data to open up your Snap, make sure that you toggle on the SIM that you're working with. Other than that, you can also try to reboot your phones. Tap and hold on the power button and you can tap on reboot. Sometimes simple solutions like this also can work. You can try that and see if that fixes the problem. So I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up button. That will be all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.